Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share with you some of my Montessori inspired preschool activities for days of the week. I will be using some books, puzzles, sewing cards, and as usual, I will be sharing some free printables with my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a like. This first activity is a literacy activity. I'm going to be using several books. Since we are going to be talking about the days of the week, I thought this book is perfect. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. We're going to read the book. We're going to see what happened on Monday and on Tuesday and so on. Super cute book. I'm also going to be using this book. It's called Cookies Week. It is such a cute book. It's about this little cat that gets in trouble every day of the week. On Monday, Cookie fell in the toilet. And then on Tuesday, he knocked a plant down. Super cute book. I'm also going to be reading several books about school. Since school just started, we're going to talk about Time for School Mouse, Time for School Charlie Brown. We have several books that we will be reading throughout the week. I created this printable. After we read Cookies Week, we are going to be talking about the days of the week. And I created this printable. My grandson is going to put together this. So on Monday, what did Cookie do? He fell in the toilet. On Tuesday, he knocked over a plant. Super cute activity, you all. This is a free printable, and I'll go ahead and link it below. Another thing that you can do as we talk about the days of the week, we're going to do a beginning letter sound activity. I'm using some of these little magnetic letters, and so we're going to talk about Monday. It starts with an M, Tuesday with a T, and so on. So for this activity, I put together this caterpillar. I'm using this little container from the dollar store. And then I made a printable with the things that the little caterpillar ate every day. So on Monday, he ate an apple. On Tuesday, he ate 2 pears. On Wednesday, 3 plums. And so on. I also put this together. This is just a container, and then I printed the same little caterpillar head, and we're going to work on a fine motor development skill. We're going to use these little pom-poms, and we're going to feed the caterpillar. Your child can use his fingers, or if you have something like this. I also created the printable. I made it smaller so we can feed the caterpillar the little apple and the little pears and the plums and so on. This is a free printable, and I'll go ahead and link it below. Another thing that we are doing as we learn the days of the week, we're singing a song. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, so I'll go ahead and sing it. I'm not really good at singing, so, but here we go. We go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. We're also going to be using some instruments as we sing our song. These are the Melissa and Doug instruments. So we're going to pick and choose what we want to use. My grandson always likes to use probably the shaky egg. So we go, there's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Just a fun way to teach the days of the week. This next activity, we're going to be using these lacing cards. These are the Very Hungry Caterpillar lacing cards. I actually bought these at a thrift store. The whole thing was only $1. My next video, I'm going to show you some things that I bought at the thrift store and at garage sales, y'all. So what my grandson's going to do is going to work on this sewing card. These activities are perfect for eye-hand coordination, concentration, and fine motor skills. For logic, we're going to be using this floor puzzle. This is the Very Hungry Caterpillar counting floor puzzle. I like that the pieces are really big. So he will be putting the puzzle together. This is a great way to introduce math skills as they're counting. It encourages the children to count, to practice counting. It also, as you look at each one of the numbers, like number 1, you see the caterpillar, they're going to be looking for the caterpillar. He's in each one of the frames. This is number 3, and there's the little caterpillar. Number 4, he's up there, and so on. Super cute activity, you all. For this activity, I put together this calendar. I have, up here we have the month, we have the year, the season, and then we have the days, the numbers, and then at the bottom I put today's weather is. We live in Texas, so pretty much it's always sunny. So what I'm doing with this, because most preschoolers, 3s and 4s, have no concept about today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. So it's a good idea to have a calendar. I put this in my grandson's learning binder. And as we start the day, we say today is Friday, September, and then we put the date here. I have all of the months here with Velcro. The seasons are over here. On this one, I have the numbers as we're needing them to put on our calendar. I put a Velcro dot. I just laminated this page. I have some holidays down here, and I have for the weather, snow, it's partly cloudy, it's cloudy. So if you would like, this is a free printable. I'll go ahead and link it below. It's a perfect way to review every day, you know, what today is Friday, and it's the month of September. Super cute activity. So if you like this, it's a free printable. I'll go ahead and link it below. This week we're also continuing to review our letters. I am going to be using this tracing letters. They're sandpaper letters. Mine are from Lakeshore. These we're going to be tracing using our 2 fingers. But if you don't have these letters, you all, I'm going to show you how you can make some sandpaper letters. I am using these poster letters from Dollar Tree. There's 78 letters in here. I'm also using this sandpaper. It's also from Dollar Tree. This comes with 36 pieces. And what I did, I got the sandpaper, 1 sheet, the letter. You want your letter to be like this. So when you trace your letter, turn your paper, and your letter, you're going to trace it backwards. So when you cut it, it's going to be like this. I used some poster paper and I made it the same size as this. And so I glued my sandpaper letter. I cut it and I glued it here. So you can easily make some sandpaper letters with just some sandpaper from the dollar store and letters also from the dollar store. Super cute way to make your cards and have your child trace his the letters using his fingers. Super cute. For this activity, we're also going to be using the letters, and we're going to be tracing. This is like a sand tray, but I'm using sprinkles. These are sprinkles from Dollar Tree. I'm using this tray that we already had, this brush, and we're just going to trace our letters. Super fun activity, you all. Another activity we'll be doing this week is we're going to be cutting some fruit. We're going to be using the Melissa and Doug cutting fruit. But if you don't have this, you guys, Dollar Tree has some really cute fruit. It comes, the tray is tiny, but you can still put your little fruit there. It comes with a little knife, and your child can practice cutting fruit. Super cute, you all. There's all kinds of fruits, and they also have vegetables. They have carrots, broccoli, and so on. Super cute activity. I hope you enjoyed the activities I had for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.